Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download creation tools on TikTok Lite. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to download creation tool, so what you need to do is head over to your TikTok Lite app in your phone, right? Now simply open up your TikTok Lite, and once you're there, here you'll be seeing a homepage like this, right? Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen, right? And once you tap it, here select the video that you want, right? And once you click on it, all you gotta do is tap on next. And once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to your editing page, right? Now all you gotta do is just tap on one of the settings and then tap on or allow the TikTok Lite to and allow permission to TikTok Lite. And once you allow it, here you'll be seeing on the top of the screen downloading other editing tools are still available, and here on the bottom of the screen you can still see there's 0% downloading editing tools, right? Now what you need to do now, you don't need to do anything. The TikTok Lite will download editing tools or creation tools automatically, and that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.